So we're here at this car show. It's like over here in the background. We're hoping they let us in. On this form, I wrote that we are bringing a 2022 Woodshed Custom.
It's a Woodshed Custom.
Which, if you can see back there, which you actually can't at all, we got the bunk bed in the back, the deathbed. So we're gonna go see if we can get into the car show, see if it works. All right, so we got our money, entrance fee, whatever. We talked to them, they said it's chill if we bring the bunk bed in, so we're gonna get it unloaded and have some fun with it, go to this car show.
So the best part about bringing a bunk bed to a car show is you can take a nap whenever you want.
It's a sleeper.
Yes, indeed.
It's an awesome car, man, I love it.
A sweet stay.
Is it? Should I park the other way? That guy parked sideways.
You can do whatever you want.
I'm gonna do whatever I want.
Listen to that baby purr.
This is it.
This is a camper special. The camper special, I like to call
It's
it.
an Overlander.
Overlander, okay, yeah. We call that an auxiliary motor.
Here's your paperwork, which you've already got mostly filled out, so you need to finish filling this part out. Actually, you'll leave this with your car,
Okay.
with your vehicle.
Got more people looking at this coming in.
So you plan on driving the gut?
If I'm allowed to, yeah.
Hey, Brad, will he be able to drive the gut?
With the cruise, with the cruise.
I've got a slow moving vehicle sign and
Doesn't matter, you can make about 20, 25.
I can go 35.
No, you're in.
Yeah.
You're in. Both nurses.
It is twice.
Okay.
We drive and go by there, and they love to hear stuff rev up and stuff, so they love it.
This is my cousin. This is what we do for fun.
Yeah.
Gotta throw my park brake on there.
Thanks for coming.
You're
Yeah, thank you guys.
Sweet.
Talking about a place to take a nap?
I know.
$10 an hour. I can't guarantee the cleanliness of the sheets. I have taken it through a car wash, so.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game, so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, I stay on the go. I can play with the pros, not like a rookie, so they overlook me, then I develop and get none of their nose, none of them cold. They just got lucky, but never adapted, so I'm telling one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Yeah. Right on, dude. Thanks for taking our order. Thanks.
All right, well.
Car show was a success by all means because we actually got in the car show. We didn't get heckled at the car show. So.
They loved it. All the cops were part of the parade thing or like the cruise. So some of them gave me weird looks, but none of them like did anything.
They let us do it, so it was legal. I think if the cops let you do it, therefore it's legal.
That's true.
That's how it goes. We read it in law.
Yep, it's the law.
Super big success. We'll have to go to some more car shows because apparently this is the only thing at car shows kids can even touch. So got that factor to it.
So let's load this thing up and we'll call it a day. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you like this and
See me potentially fall off it someday.
catch you on the next video.
Put them in the dirt, say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, change to berserk, don't get on